everyone, welcome to page on Rise. I am Sotheany. Pleased to see you again. And today we are going to continue with lesson 25 that we have 6 more words to learn. Let's start it. The first word is article. Article spell A-R-T-I-C-L-E. Article. Example, I like to read an article about healthy. I like to read an article about healthy. Second word, because. Because spell B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Example, I guess because I like cooking. I guess because I like cooking. Third word is president. President spell P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T. President. Example, President is a leader of a country chosen by a vote from the people. President is a leader of country chosen by a vote from the people. Fourth word is Prime Minister. Prime Minister spell P-R-I-M-E-I-N-I-S-T-E-R. Prime Minister. Example, Prime Minister is also a leader of country chosen by a vote from government. Prime Minister is also a leader of country chosen by a vote from government. Fifth, general. General spell G-E-N-E-R-A-L. General. Example, the general is pegging me. The general is pegging me. The last word is government. Government spell G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-T. Government. Example, the government has been slow to react to the crisis. The government has been slow to react to the crisis. Okay, everyone, I will repeat this word again. Please repeat after me. Article. Article. Because. Because. President. President. Prime Minister. Prime Minister. General. General. Government. Government. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your spending time with me today. Please don't forget make a sentence or sentences by using the words that we had learned today and leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we will give you a thumb up. If it's not, we will have check. If you want to learn full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.